Milwaukee's new M18 FUEL self-propelled lawnmower is here. Riding upon a 21-inch or 533mm steel deck, this is a dual battery mower, and it's optimised for Milwaukee's high output batteries. There's no more mixing up a two-stroke or servicing your mower like you do with your petrol power mower. You simply plug in those batteries and you're off and mowing. And it's noticeably quiet than your petrol power mower as well, and that instant ignition straight up to full speed is very nice too. Now it's got two blade speeds, 2,800 RPM and 3,300 RPM. Of course, that lower top speed is better for your longer grass, while that higher top speed is great for producing additional lift and airflow to throw the grass and off cuttings into the 70-litre catcher. This tool comes as a bare tool with a side chute and a mulcher as well. This mower is self-driving, and that self-driving motor is adjustable from 0 kilometers an hour up to 6.4 kilometers an hour, which I find a touch fast. I dialed it back a little bit when I was using it, but call me lazy. But all the controls are very simple, easy to operate, from the 7-stage height adjustment. To start the mower, you squeeze the safety bar and press the start button, and it hits top speed immediately. And if you don't want to use the self-propelled mower, you can just start mowing straight away. But to engage that self-propelled mower, you just squeeze the lever, which is underneath your thumb on either side of the handle, and you're off. And you simply just lift your thumb off that lever to disengage that self-propelled motor if you're at the end of your run or trying to turn a corner. Now you toggle the 2-blade speed on with the button just here under my thumb, which is right next to the button for toggling the lights on and off. And those lights are impressive both on the front and on either side, so you get a good view right around the mower while you're mowing in dark lighting. I also like that the battery indicators right here are shining back at you while you're walking behind the mower, so you can see exactly how much juice is left while you're mowing. Another really great feature which is often overlooked is how great this mower is for storing. Despite being a large steel-decked mower, the handle folds down very simply and you can stand it up on its base. And that same adjustment for the handle is also how you adjust the height, whether you're a tall or a short owner. Another easily overlooked feature too is these handles front and back for lifting it in and out of your vehicle if you're taking it on the road. Now you're all asking, what is the runtime on this mower? And runtime can vary depending on the conditions and the grass you're cutting. But as a guide, if you're running two 12-amp-hour batteries, you're cutting 15 mil off the top of standard lawn, and you're running at 4.8 kilometers an hour with a self-propelled mower, you should get 60 minutes of continuous cutting or 2,000 square meters of lawn. This mower is available now at all Sydney Tool stores right across Australia. If you've got any questions about this mower, you can hit up our team in store, or you can hit me up in the comments section down below. You can also go to sydneytools.com.au for all the specs on this mower and for Australia-wide shipping. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.